You thought it might be okay between you and him, between me and you. You thought it might be better to change your life, but not tonight. I wonder how it would have been without knowing him. I'm asking why you never wanted to admit that you were crazy for